Activity 3. To draw the circuit diagram of a given open circuit comprising of various circuit components and mark the components that are not connected in proper order and redraw, that is draw again the connected circuit diagrams. So dear students, what is the activity what we are seeing in the previous activity 2? The same circuit diagram only we are going to given, but that circuit diagram will be given by the teacher. So you have to identify what are all the faults. That means already the connections may be given. So the connections may be given by the external or the internal teacher. So the physics teacher will give the circuit connections, everything. So you have to identify what is the fault in this connections. So you have to, the diagram also given. By seeing this diagram, we can easily identify that this positive terminal is not properly connected. So this is the positive terminal of the battery. The connecting wires are not properly connected. Then here the key is not closed. Here the key is not closed, as well as the rheostat and the connecting wires are not properly connected. Then if you, then positive to positive, then negative, again positive has to come. So the connections, the voltmeter connections are interchanged, wrongly connected. These are all the mistakes observed. So that is the activity. So the circuit is given, you have to identify what is the mistakes. They won't give this diagram, they will give only this circuit. So I will explain to you. So this is a circuit given, wrongly given. So you have to identify that. The first thing is, so I will check that whether the negative terminal and the positive terminals are properly connected. Yes, the positive terminal is not properly connected. That is the first fault you are identified. Then if you are coming to here, positive to positive terminal of the ammeter. Very good, correct. So you have to check it whether the connection is correct. Then negative terminal of the ammeter to resistance. So negative terminal of the ammeter to resistance, the connection is also properly connected. Then from the other end of the resistor, it will be connected to top mode. It will be connected to the top mode of the resistor. That is also properly connected. I will check it, pull it. Okay. Then from the bottom side of the resistor, it is connected. Yes. So the teacher, what he is do that, just fix it like this. So if you are just seeing this means, it will be shown that correct connections. When you switch on, the circuit is not closed. So what the physics teacher will do that, he will just hold it like this. Okay, so the connection is not properly given. So that is the activity we have to find that. So this activity means you have to find the fault in the circuit. So you have to connect this wire properly. Then by seeing this itself, we can easily identify this one-way key is not closed. It is in open circuit. So these are all the faults the student find when the fault circuit is given. So there may be a different thing. The ammeter deflection may be opposite. Even in this circuit also, from the resistor, it should be connected with the positive terminal. But what will happen? From the resistor, this end to this end, negative is given. From positive only, this end is connected. So these two must be interchanged. Don't check that only the connections. Whether the connection polarity is correct or not, you have to check it. So these are all the faults you can find in the activity. So what is this activity? In this activity, the question itself, given the wrong circuit is given, so the wrong circuit is already and connected and given to you. You have to check it whether the connections are properly, whether the polarities are properly connected, and all those things. And you make sure that you have to reconnect all those things properly. Then you have to show it to your external, switch on the battery and everything. You have to show that the ammeter is showing some reading and the voltmeter also measuring the reading. So if you show like this means this activity will be over. That is the activity we are seeing in the previous one. Okay. So dear students, activity 2 and 3 are similar one. Activity 2 is simply connecting the correct circuit. Activity 2 is wrong connections are given. Open circuit is given to you. You have to make that open circuit to closed circuit. Closed circuit means proper connections. This is the open circuit. So this circuit is a open circuit. There is a break in these connections. This circuit is a closed circuit because everything is properly connected. So that is the activity 3.